M.K. Chorge, Group TPM Head of Belrise Industries. First of all, thanks to Kaizen Hansai to given this opportunity to share the best practices. Today we are going to present here productivity and quality enhancement by TPM way. Belrise Group is established in year 1988 with three numbers of employees, and last 3 decades group reached up to 35 numbers of manufacturing sites across pan India. We are having 4,000 blue collar employees and 30,000 associates, and its first generation family owned business group. These are our driving force, later leaders. Latest Sri Shankar Badve was the immediate chairman. Srikant Badve is our founder and managing director. Madam Supriya Badve is our executive director, and both sons is in business, looking after technical and financial area. We derived our vision to offer a global engineering product through an inexorable march of new technology and becoming number one trusted vendors. To meet our vision, we derived mission and strategy. To meet vision, mission, we derived our various policies like TPM policy, quality policy, environmental related policies. In last 2 years back, we changed our brand name from Badwe Engineering Limited to Belrise Industries. BEL indicates Badwe Engineering Limited and RISE indicates the growth. We are having 35 manufacturing facility across the India near to OEM. We recently acquired H1 at Greater Noida and Tapukera plant, who is suppliers for Honda car. जस्ट प्लीज कर ये हैंग हो गया है. Our global presence is in 9 countries like UK, France, Mexico, Slovakia, Thailand, China, and Japan. We are in 9 verticals like chassis manufacturing, exhaust system, polymer product for two-wheeler, three-wheeler, four-wheeler, foundry, suspension, mirror, home appliances, and floricultural. These are our prestigious customers in two-wheeler, three-wheeler, including Bajaj Auto, Tata Motors, Royal Enfield, Jaguar Land Rover, etc. We added new customers of EV segment like Ola, Bigos, Okaya, and etc. This is our group turnover. We reach 7,400 CR in financial year 24-25 and targeted to 800 crores current financial year, and next 5-year projection growth for our major business is in sheet metal. Since from beginning, year over year, we are adding many prestigious customers. At group level, we are having 6 patents on system side improvement. These are some recognition at national levels in quality as well as in R&D. Our visionary managing director, Sri Srikant Badve, heading this group. We have a cluster approach in operation. We are from Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar clusters. Our plant is located in Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. Plant operation is started in 2000. We are in manufacturing of press and sheet metal parts. Specifically in this plant, we are manufacturing silencer. Total 60% women empowerment, and plant all are having all the system certifications. Our major customer is Bajaj Auto. We are manufacturing silencer, fender for export model. This is manufacturing setup includes pipe bending, fabrication, and plating shop. These are technical details of plant machinery. We are having well-equipped laboratory to certify product quality. And these are few testing equipments. Since from inception, plant achieve various milestones in the journey in the term of achievement like TPM, quality awards, etc. Plant is IATF 16949 certified. In year 2008, we did TPM kickoff and started TPM practice in the plant and enhanced the operational efficiency. We are practicing 8-pillar approach with keeping target of 0 BAD, that is breakdown, defect and accident. Based on our group business target, we set plant target and derived KMI, KPI for better understanding. This is a typical process flow right from receipt of material, welding lines, splitting, PDI, dispatch to customer. Now here I am demonstrating enhancement of productivity and quality by TPM way. Let us focus on first productivity enhancement. Let us see the plant design capacity and customer demand. In financial year 2122, customer demand around 3K and actual capacity was 3K. But when the demand increased in 2024-25, we needed to add one separate line or enhance the capacity. So we challenged to design capacity and increase productivity around 1K silencer per day in existing setup. So total shortfall is of 1K silencer per day. Our process flow indicates 3 operations in silencer manufacturing, where major bottleneck process is fabrication line, because in bending 2100 numbers production of per machine and per day, and we have 2 machines set up of bending operation. So our major bottleneck is the fabrication process. Our process flow indicates 3 operations in silencer manufacturing, where major bottleneck is the fabrication process. With the help of video time recording, we map complete fabrication process. Then we found that cycle time of 3 stages of plug welding have higher cycle time, that is 26 seconds, which is bottleneck operations. This is a typical process flow of welding operation, and highlighted stage are having the higher cycle time. Due to higher cycle time, our production per hour is 139 numbers. How we did enhancement of productivity by TPM way, we see over here. This is a standard approach to address any problem in TPM, like define object, data collection, CFT by CFT, then problem analysis with various tools like Viva analysis, PM analysis, and then activity plan, execution and the sustenance of the activity. At bottleneck stage, 4 operator is doing weld plugging operation by manual welding. We'll see over here with help of video. Here the 4 operator is engaged for plug welding. Then we did Viva analysis and focus on manual operation. Why not to convert manual to semi-auto, and we developed the special purpose machine so that our 4 stage can be combined in 1 stage and all plugging operation on 1 stage. So this idea we are demonstrating through animated video over here. Now we'll see actual idea how we implement on the stage. It's all 4 plug stations combined with 1 SPM, and 1 operator can do it. We confirm result with PDCA and implement same idea in another line. Also horizontally, we deployed same idea in our Pantnagar manufacturing facility. This is after process flow where three stages are removed. Now the bottleneck operation cycle time reduced from 4 seconds to 1 second, and thus the total cycle time reduced from 21 seconds to 18 seconds. Now the next time operation time reduced 4 seconds to 1 second. Cycle time reduced from 21 seconds to 18 seconds. We have written our idea in Kaizen idea sheet and register in our Kaizen portal at group level. Now further we map the process cycle time. The hemming operation is the next bottleneck. Then we did the Kaizen on hemming operation, two operation like crunching operation, then bending operation have separate travel time, but in SPM we address both operation at the time so that time reduced from 8 seconds to 3 seconds. We have saved 5 seconds. It will be more clear with help of this animated video. Here, both the operation is combined together. Then further, total cycle time reduced from 21 seconds to 18 seconds. With this improvement, output per hour improve by 1286 numbers per shift to 1442 numbers per shift. This way, we balancing the line and meeting customer demand. This is standard Kaizen idea sheets. This is the graphical result. Output per hours increased from 139 to 192 numbers. Hence, we are able to meet customer demand of 4K with existing setup. This is a result in PQ CDSM. Now coming to quality focus. In quality maintenance, we are focusing on warranty, EFR and customer complaint, in-process quality, supplier quality, cost of quality and system strengthening. Here I am showing one case of secondary cap round welding operation, how we did the quality enhancement. Here the pain area is consist welding quality, higher in-house rejection, fatigues of operator and require high skill set particularly for the operations. This is data matrix. Here I am showing one case study of resonator box. In resonator box, secondary cap round welding operation is manual. One operator doing half operation and welding and another operator doing half welding due to approach of welding torque, which creates inconsistent welding and leads to rework and rejection. This is the major pain. With this video, it is clear that both operator is doing half sections. To address same quality issue, we did Viva analysis in CFT and find out the root cause. The root cause is manual operation. Now we develop SPM. With help of this video, this will be more clear. So both the operation club together and the issue of quality uneven welding is resolved. We confirm this operator improvements. Now IHR is drastically reduced from 900 ppm to 18 ppm. This is the IHR trend. This is a standard Kaizen idea sheets. Now coming to quality strengthening, we are having various checks, quality checks in process like process audit, IP audits, integrated system audit to strengthening quality. These are some glimpses of the audits. With efforts of successful achievement, our operational and financial target is met. Now, customer awarded highest quality award, that is the Super Platinum Award in 2023. These are some glimpses of our best practices, that is intra-group Kaizen competitions and some glimpses about employee engagement. Thank you very much. One small quote, but excellent step to success, open your eye and close your eye. Thank you.
A big round of applause for Mr. Mangal Das Chorge. We'll quickly take some questions from our judges.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Because you have done a lot of improvements, I want to know how much is the involvement of the operators in all this process?
So around 80% involvement of operator and 20% involvement of line engineer, sir.
So,
So largest involvement of operator, sir.
okay.
Yeah.
And you have shown a lot of audits being conducted for quality. Now, basically, quality is also the non-valued activities. But why you are conducting so many audits?
See,
Is it required?
see, some audit is imposed by our customer. Suppose
Okay.
Bajaj is our customer
That's
and
okay. That's okay.
they are
We can
imposing around 20 audits. So we did this one, sir.
And what about internal audits? You have showed some,
Internal audits we have, sir.
but can
Like
you not
OKIK
reduce that?
audit, process audit, like this. Yeah.
You said that the involvement of worker was 80%.
Yes.
So whatever improvements you have shown, they are already, I mean, they have all been catered by introducing new machines.
Yes.
Okay, now new machines cannot be from the workman, or was it from the workman? Because any process change I could have understood. But going for a new machine, whether it was a suggestion given by the workman or what? Both the cases, whatever you have shown. SPMs.
SPM, sir. I am not getting the question properly,
See,
sir.
you said that the involvement in improving all those things,
Right, sir.
80% involvement was from the workmen.
Right, sir.
So, this going for the special purpose machines was through the workman initiative or what?
See, this is the both side, workmen as well as our engineers. So we are having the TPM approach and mostly the lot of involvement of workers. So with their ideas, we are going for SPM.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.